Hi, this is Alexandra Salamanca. I'm a primary teacher in Pinellas County and a student at the University of South Florida in St. Petersburg for the College of Education. My action research was the impact of visuals, video, and modeling combined when using sociodramatic play to teach social skills to preschool children with autism. Sociodramatic play has been known to increase social skills in preschool children, among other skills. However, there is little research on the effect of sociodramatic play on the social skills of preschool children with autism. This is because children with autism display developmental delays and/or behaviors that may hinder their play skills and ability to interact with others. Children with autism require additional supports to participate in everyday activities. Educators and service providers such as occupational therapists and speech and language pathologists are always searching for research-based strategies and supports to better assist their students. The purpose of the study was to examine the impact on using visuals, video, and modeling combined when using sociodramatic play to teach social skills to preschool children with autism. The study was carried out in a preschool ASD classroom in a regular school campus in Pinellas County. The study used a mixed method research design using both observation and a pre-K assessment. The classroom consisted of 8 students, 5 boys and 3 girls. An intervention was implemented by engaging children in the Sociodramatic Play Center using visuals, video, and modeling combined while teaching children 2 skills for them to participate in sociodramatic play. The results show some children with ASD have positive reaction to the combined supports when having to replicate the skills instruction. As we can see from the graph, there are 2 out of 8 students that were able to replicate the 2 skills that were taught, and at least 2 out of 8 students were able to replicate 1 out of the 2 skills that were taught. The intervention was conducted throughout 2 weeks in a small teacher-to-student ratio for 1 teacher per 2 students. Moving forward, this intervention could be implemented throughout a longer period to study the prolonged impact. I would start at the beginning of the school year. The pre-assessment will be carried out during the first grading period. Intervention would be implemented during the second and third grading period. The post-assessment would be carried out during the fourth grading period, and the data would be analyzed and shared with other ASD teams to determine if the intervention could be implemented in different content areas. Thank you for watching.